Geithika muno mwiroreri wa kirathi gia Karo KINYUGO MWAURA ndagucokeria ngatho muno ni undu woguo utwaranite na ithuĩ mwaka wa 2022 ugakorwo hamwe na ithuĩ na ugakorwo ukiwatch ugasubscribe na ningi ugashare content iria yothe tukoretwo tugikurehera thiini wa kirathi gia Karo KINYUGO MWAURA. Ngatho cia mwanya muno. Ino ni episode ege, ni episode 8 of I Need Love. Neno ni episode iria tukoragwo tugicariria andu endwa, ugatuma request yaku na kaingi ni ngwiraga tuma namba yaku ya thimu kana email address iria ukwenda mundu agukinyire nao nigetha wira wa gucaraniria andu ukahutha, nigetha uria wakorwo interested na kiria wauga akahota gukorwo agigukinyira kuhitukira namba yo kana email address. Ritwa riakwa ni Karo KINYUGO MWAURA, ndirakomukira muno na wa mbere ni gucokeria ngatho kambuni ya Brico Homes iria ihotanire hari wendia wa migunda tondu niyo ikoragwo irugamirire kirathi gia Karo KINYUGO MWAURA. Ririkana ni ngoretwo ngikwirira ati twina project jeru iria turaruguria mwena wa Matu na mwena wa Kitengela, na ica ikuhi ni tugukorwo tugithie nawe nigetha ukorwo ukiona migunda itu mithaka muno nigetha uhote kuigithia. Aiko 2022 donaigithia, 2023 is here. Mirango meru Ngai iria agukuhingurira nigetha uhote kuigithia na kambuni ya Brico Homes. Reke twingire thiini wa episode itu ya muthenya wa umuthi. No ririkane uria tugaga ni ati ako request ni tumetwo, please itikira gutia mundu ucio akorwo ni agukwira ati we tiwe arenda, hihi ni ukumu approach ete wona namba yake. Na ningi if you are not interested in someone ndugatithie ukimuhurira kana kumucogotha hindi ciothe tondu andu acio ni manogaga gukorwo namba ciao ire haha no kiria mara receive ni andu tu akumananga handu ha mundu we serious wa gukorwo agitwarana nake rugendo. Koguo twitikire ati number 1 we respect each other, number 2 respect the decision of mundu ucio ngi, number 3 tutikarehe maundu maingi ta magukonia andu na kiapana. Show ino ni agukorwo tugiteithia andu. People need love, others are very lonely out there tondu hii kiria kiatumira matuike single ni maundu very unfortunate, hihi gikuo kana divorce, maundu tofauti. Koguo tutigekirane ironda ngoro. Undu ungi ni ati riria watuma request yaku, please ririkana gukorwo kinyandikira namba ciaku cia thimu. No muthi show itu ari ingi mariho ni athuri dio ni kiamwe metigirite gucia namba, ona ndamatindika atia macia namba makanjira Karo huthira yaku. For those two cases ni nguigua tha huthira yakwa tondu ni athuri na ni ukika ingi matiendete kwiyaria, but because ni maugite ni makwenda endwari, let's just use my number because those are just unique cases. Ngatho cia mwanya muno kuri aria makoretwo makiona endwa haha kirathi ni tugire no turiuka tumarehe nigetha tukorwo tukimamenya. So let's get to our episode of the day. Tukambiriria na mundu ugwitwo Nyaga. Nyaga aranjira, how are you? Hopefully you're good. Yes, I'm good, Nyaga. I am Nyaga from Kiambu. I'm 43 years old. I am single. Aranjira ni divorcee and he's a very humble man. I'm very humble to the ground. Nyaga rogate, I'm really looking for a serious lady who is God-fearing and ready to settle in marriage. Akauga kama yuko awe Mkikuyu ama Mkale. Pande ya watoto anaweza kuwa na mtoto mmoja ama wawili, but young kids. Dada mudu ina shiana nene, dada mudu ina young kids kama wekana tuiri. Akajira, I'm not financially stable, nafanyanga kazi ya mjengo, but I'm a very hardworking man and God-fearing. Thank you so much, Nyaga. Ni undu wa gutuika open about your status and financial status na kugabe urenda mundu muguthie nake rugendo ruru. So if you're interested in Nyaga, ucio ni mwe wari ama requestite tuhuthire namba yakwa na Nyaga ni gutia request yaku because like we said, it's rare that you find a man speaking out. So eke tuhuthire namba yakwa. If you're interested in Nyaga, use my number or you can use my email address which is caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. tuthie kuri muthuri ungi wa keri ugwitwo Mwangi. Mwangi arauga, I am Mwangi, I am single too. I'm looking for a wife. I'm aged 34. I have never been married. The lady I'm looking out for should be between 28 to 32 years old, who should have never gotten married. Na kana koroni aria hika tuge hi negotigana atiganite na muthuri wake kana atia arenda mundu utari wahika. At least akorwo na bachelor's degree, na angikorwo ari mugatoreki ni wega makiria. Angikorwo ate mugatoreki akorwo ari ready go convert gutuika mugatoreki. Akorwo ndari na ciana na ndari akorwo na mwana onomwe. Akagwa whether you're in or out of the country, we can talk to and see what to do about the distance. Na akongerera, urahoya muthuri ndi haha, ucio ni Mwangi. Talk to me if you have these qualities. Na aka insist only serious ladies His email address is mwagijaba@gmail.com. Thank you so much Mwangi tondu nginya ni utigite namba yaku ya thimu. Tuthie hari ungi ugwitwo Michael. Michael arauga, hi Carol. Yes, hi Michael. I'm Michael from Nyeri. I need a serious lady aged between 24 to 30. Akauga she can either be Kikuyu, Meru or Embu without a kid. He says he's 38 years old. Hena David arauga, Carol, mimi ni David, natafuta mtu mwenye ako ready kuoleka na awe serious, awe na mtoto mmoja au bila. Niko Thika, nafanya biashara. I'm 39 years old na awe between 25 to 35 years old. David neanite na bathimo akauga ni 0789 156 692. Thegio muno David. Followed by John arauga ati wene wa Muranga nakamba kageithia ndageithika muno John kuma gwitu Muranga. Akauga arutaga wira Embu nena okoro wa miaka 25 na ni aretha mutumia. As simple as that. Ndanatinda agitariria maundu maingi. Namba yake ya thimu ni 0701 455 057. Namba iri house screen ni yaku ni ugukorwo kiaraniria na John if you're interested, and he's 25 years old. Reke tuthi kwe Waweru rauga, hi Carol, I'm Waweru. I do follow you on YouTube. Thank you so much. I really love your show. Asante sana. Niliona uko na show inaitwa How We Met. Yes, How We Met na I Need Love, Neta Sisters. Koguo, you are right. I'm single and searching and have never been married. I'm 35 years old and I would like to have a family. I need a lady who is aged between 26 to 30 without a kid. I work here in Nairobi. You can give out this contact and I will appreciate so much. 0764 314 818. Thank you so much Waweru ni undu wa Kweji Express na ugakorwo nginya ukineana namba ciaku cia thimu. Athuri aria twina o muthenya wa muthe mamba gukinya hau, koguo ni nguthoma request cia airitu ana uguo. Wa mbere araitwa Janet arauga, I am single. Sorry, ti airitu ni atumia. Sorry. Janet arauga, I am single. I'm 44 years old. I'm a mother of one son who is 24 years old. I'm looking for a serious relationship with a man aged 45 and above. If he's in the US or America, I'll be so much comfortable and ready to relocate. I'm humble, honest, and also looking for the same. Namba yake ni 0790 655 898. Thank you so much, Janet. Hena Lydia arauga, hi Carol. Hi Lydia, I'm fine. Akauga, I am divorced. I have 3 daughters. I will appreciate if I get a person whom we can sit down na tupange mambo yetu pamoja, a loving person and who values a woman. Nabasha keshia thimu ni 0728 53 86 41. Thank you so much Lydia. Tuthie kuri Charity arauga, hi Carol. Hi Charity, wherever you are. I'm a mother of 3 kids. I was married 12 years ago and now I'm single and we divorced. I'm looking for a serious Kenya Defense Forces man. Ucio reda mudu wa KDF. Reda mudu musemba onge. Akauga, a God-fearing man, a born-again Christian who is ready for a serious relationship leading to marriage. He should be from Mount Kenya, aged between 40 to 45 years. Hey Charity, ona eno arega kuheana namba. Okay. Leo mudu wa KDF nie nego hata kwa namba ciake. Anyway, Charity, let's hope you get someone mwenye atakuwa akinifikia kwa namba yangu. My number is 0722919062. Kana email address yako ni caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. Actually, anifikie na email address. That's far much better. So there is Esther. Esther says, hi, Carol, I'm Esther. I'm 32 years old, a single mom of 1 girl, and soon I'll be expecting another. I'm 7 months pregnant. I'm searching for a serious husband. I was married but divorced for 2 years. Now I'm looking for a partner aged 34 to 45 years. Qualities: he should be honest, loving, and above all, a God-fearing man. This man should be legally divorced, single or a widow, with or without children. My contact is 0769 713 865. Only a serious person. Sawa sawa Esther, thank you so much for your request. Kuna Cecilia says, hi Carol, I'm not new here, I hope. I started with you when you opened this channel. Wow, thank you so much Cecilia. It's been 2 years. I'm 37 years, single with 2 boys. I need a God-fearing man aged between 40. I need a God-fearing man aged 40 and above, divorced or a widower with kids. Thank you. My number is 0712 671-288. Currently, I'm not in Kenya, but I'll come back next year. Next year, ni mwaka wa 2023. Finally, we have Maggie. Maggie says, hi, Carol. Merry Christmas. Christmas ni ahitukire no thengio muno ni undu wa wishes ciaku njega. I'm Maggie from Kiambu, single mom of one girl, 8 years old. I've never gotten married. I'm 32 years old, looking for a soulmate, 35 years and above, a Kikuyu man who is ready to settle down, caring and loving, and I'm currently out of the country. My number is 0799-835-687. Asanteni sana. I hope you've noted something. Ladies or other women, nemarashare namba ciao details wanaji express vizuri sana. Thank you so much to the ladies. If you're a man and you feel like sharing your number is the issue, you can give me your email address. You can just create one for the sake of showing, then I will share it so that mundu ahota gukinyira. It's not that I don't like using my number, then ani haria the requests are too many na ndahota gutuma hitukwo ni mundu wa kufatie ni undu wa message kuihuranirira. But thank you so much ni undu wa gwitikira kuyumiria nyue muciite request ya nyumuthenya wa muthe. God bless you so much. Guririkania ate ugiethaga mwendu aririkana gwetha kamugunda itigo Brico Homes. We have good projects. Twina migunda sagana iria turendia na thogora wa ciringi 500 and they are prime plots. She hadu hathaka muno. If you want to come see them, no tugutware muthenya wa Wednesday kana wa Saturday nigetha ukorwo ukionera kaundu bururi-ini, you can still send someone okay nigetha one migunda iyo. We have plots in Juja, twina Juja kuria mwena wa Masto, kwina migunda itigaririire iria ungikorwo ukigura ni undu wa family yaku. Twina migunda kuria mwena wa Mai Mahiu, twina nginya Hururu, twina project nyingi turuguritie kuria mwena wa Kitengela na nginya mwena wa Matu. You are spoiled for choice when it comes to Brico Homes. Na ririkana our biggest strength ni kuheana title deed, na hau niho andu aingi makoragwo makiuria ni tukona title good. Brico Homes tukoragwo na title deed, genuine paperwork. So you'll never get lost with us. We always say that we are a touch of fulfillment. Koguo igithia na ithuĩ na ndũrĩ hĩndĩ ũkerira onarĩ. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Carol Kinyugo Mwaura, ngagucokeria ngatho mũno. O nginyagia hĩndĩ ĩngĩ. God bless you so much na mũrore magũkumia.
He kundu kungi kambuni muthiaga mwagura mugunda uyu muri othe no ru mugweterera nginya uri ukarikia kuriha ka mugunda wothe mwendia niguo mu process title ciothe no ru guku ithui ta Brico tukona subtitle plot yaku wagura ithu antu ti uhoro wa matha title tukuhe title iyo uthii ugeke search weka search woka mugunda tondu step ya mbere ni wambe uke wone mugunda wathibitisa tugakuhe title iyo ugeka search weka search woka wariha uga sign document wa sign document within 2 weeks title yaku we nayo na nikio urona mundu to uyu ni plot number 1 agurire akirikia kuriha tukimuhe title riu ni akite na title nayo.